Okay, yesterday we looked at Bitcoin and we broke it down from the higher time frames, just putting in technical levels on the charts that may present some trading opportunities. Today I'm going to look at Ethereum. We're going to start off in the 6-month chart, and we're just going to take some higher time frame levels, just the ones that are relevant to where price is at the moment. So what stands out is this candle high. Also, these candles closes and opens, you can see respect it over here quite nicely, so that could be a level in the future. We do have this candle's low being rejected off at the moment, and I'll also mark out this candle's close and this candle's open. That will be support on the lower time frames quite clearly. So let's go down into the monthly and have a look at price on the monthly time frame. So we can see that lines up quite nicely with support over here, support here, and acting as resistance at the moment. So this is a huge level for Ethereum going forward. We do have an inside month. The last time, if we go back and see when we had an inside month, so this is the Muller bar. This would be the Muller bar now. The inside month is here. You can see that we've rated it and came down, sold off. So what would be a level to put on would be this monthly high for a potential raid. We know that this candle is just opening and forming at the moment. So what could potentially happen, if we come up, create the wick for a bearish candle or a bearish month, get back below, and then look to sell, and then create a bearish candle here. It may take a while. As you can see, we came up, raided once, raided 3 times before. So we had the 1 raid, 2 raids, 3 raids, and yeah, we could be patient on that, but that's where technically we could get our bias, and then if fundamentals line up nicely as well, then we have our levels in place from a higher time frame, and we don't really have to touch them going forward. So let's move down into the daily time frame, get a closer look at some structure. The here and now, you can see that higher time frame level going through here, acting quite nice. Support, 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 resistance. So that monthly high, what I'm looking for is if we come up, take those stops here, get back below, then that is where I'll take a swing short down to the next key level. If we break there, then we can move down to the next key level again. For the here and now though, let's take a look at where price is, and we'll get a closer look at support and resistance on the daily time frame. What makes sense to me is, obviously we had huge resistance rolling through here, and it's not acting as support just yet, but it hasn't closed below it just yet. So I'm on the sidelines until we see which direction this is going to close. If we can get a daily close below, retest that from the other side, we may have a day trade down to take out this candle low and into that higher time frame level that you see on our charts that act as resistance here, acting as support here. So what would that look like on the H4 for maybe a trade idea today? 2 things. Let's just clean this up a bit. We have resistance, 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 resistance. If we break back above, then all shorts are off, and I would suspect that we're going higher to take out this previous or current monthly high. To get a sell opportunity, I would need a break, retest, full structure up into this area, break the structure, and then look for a selling opportunity. I don't want to get in while price is falling like this. I don't want to chase it. I'd rather it fall, pull back, get in on the pullback, and then look to get involved with Ethereum. So there's not really any trade ideas today. I have to probably let another day unfold, but just keep an eye if we do fall a little bit further, come back, retest, and then look for that selling opportunity. And that's it. I've got my higher time frame levels, I've got the monthly levels that I'm looking for, and some technical patterns that I'm keeping an eye on. We could probably add a little bit of confluence to the chart. Support, support. If we can break, retest that, then we have the confluence of break of structure. We'll have confluence of resistance, we'll have the higher time frame trend. Yeah, all adding up. Look for this level to go, 1419, and then if that goes, then you could probably try and play it down to the next level, but keep in mind this strong level on the daily time frame that acted as resistance. You may get a bounce there, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. From here now, I'm being patient, sitting on the sidelines. I've got my higher time frame levels on the chart, and I'll update you if any trade ideas pop up.